Understanding TV Review, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the phrase TV review. Whether you are watching TV shows, movies, or documentaries, you've probably come across this term. But what does it actually mean? Let's dive in and find out together. Remember, understanding phrases like TV review can really help improve your English comprehension and usage. So, stay tuned. In order to understand TV review, let's break it down into two parts. TV. This is an abbreviation for television, which is a system for transmitting visual images and sound that are reproduced on screens. Review. This is a noun that refers to a critical evaluation or analysis of something, in this case, a TV show or program. When we put them together, a TV review is a critical evaluation or analysis of a television program. Now, let's talk about why people read or write TV reviews. A TV review serves multiple purposes. It provides viewers with an opinion on whether a TV show is worth watching. It offers critique and analysis, discussing the strengths and weaknesses of the show. It helps to set expectations for potential viewers. Sometimes, it also provides background information about the show, its creators, or actors. A good TV review usually includes several key elements. Summary of the plot, a brief description of what the show is about. Analysis of key components. This could include discussions about the acting, direction, script, cinematography, and other technical aspects. Personal opinion, the reviewer's personal thoughts and feelings about the show. Recommendation, whether the reviewer thinks you should watch the show or not. TV reviews can be quite useful. Here's how you can use them. Decide what to watch. By reading reviews, you can figure out if a show aligns with your interests. Understand a show better. Sometimes reviews can provide insights that enhance your understanding and appreciation of a show. Join discussions. Reading reviews can prepare you to participate in discussions about a show with friends or online communities. And that's a wrap on TV reviews. We hope this video has helped clarify what TV review means and how you can use them in your English learning journey. Remember, understanding media-related phrases is a great way to enhance your language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.